You want to see some behind the scenes? I'll show you some behind the scenes. Sorry.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hey. Hello. Welcome to Haversham Manor. This is McHale Performing Arts Center. I'm Calvin Mackey. I'm a junior here at LHS, and I play the character Dennis, who plays the character Perkins. Well, you might be asking, how can you do that? Well, our show is a play inside of a play. We're all actors and tech crew in the Cornley Drama Society, and we're putting on the show A Murder at Haversham Manor.
And what's your favorite thing about the show?
My favorite thing about this show is how goofy it is. I feel like I've never watched people mess up on purpose, and it's even funnier than watching people mess up regular. Because it's a brand new show that, I mean, I've never seen anything like it. And it's so funny, and it's so unique. And all the characters are goofy, and that's why I love it.
Hi guys, I'm Markitta Bault. I play one of the stage crew, and my favorite part about the play is probably how the butler switches out the drinks for paint thinner, and they're just all spitting it out because it tastes really nasty. That's probably my favorite part.
Delicious.
Excellent.
Lovely. That's a damn fine bottle, Perkins. What's the vintage?
Flammable and corrosive, ma'am.
My name is Abby Lupke. I play Sandra, and my favorite thing about this show has been spending time with my friends.
I play Jonathan. I've been doing theater for like 3 years.
And what's your favorite thing about being part of the show?
Oh, just how smooth it runs.
Oh, yeah?
It runs. Nothing ever goes wrong. It's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got it. It's tech time. Being louder.
Actors, get ready for top of Act 2.
Yeah.
And then if you want to see that, come see the play that goes wrong on April 25th and 26th at 7 o'clock and April 27th at 2:30.